Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is ionic bonding, metals giving, non-metals taking. By the end of this video you'll know how ions form, why ionic compounds melt at such high temperatures, and when they conduct electricity. Ionic bonding is the strong electrostatic attraction between oppositely charged ions. Metals lose electrons to form positive ions, cations. Non-metals gain electrons to form negative ions, anions. The opposite charges attract in all directions and form a giant 3D lattice. Three things. 1. Metals lose electrons, non-metals gain them. 2. The compound is held in a giant ionic lattice, strong forces in every direction. 3. These forces are strong, so ionic compounds have high melting points. Common slip. Assuming ionic compounds always conduct electricity. They don't, not as solids. The ions are locked in place. They only conduct when molten or dissolved in water, where the ions are free to move. Quick example. Sodium loses one electron to become Na+. Chlorine gains it to become Cl-. The ions snap together into a giant lattice of alternating positives and negatives. That's NaCl, or table salt, and it melts at 801 degrees Celsius. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, biology, physics and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.